How to fix Snapchat camera not working in iPhone. If your Snapchat back camera is not working on your iPhone, so here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix it. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. And once inside the settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available in there. Now once you tap on the apps, again scroll down and look for the Snapchat option available in there. Now once you tap on the Snapchat, all you have to do is make sure that the camera option in there is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then make sure it is toggled on. Now once done so, all you have to do is go back to the iPhone's home screen and tap on the App Store option available there. Once inside the App Store, in the search address bar, type down Snapchat and hit enter and search for it. Then all you have to do is tap on the Snapchat, and if you see the update icon available there, simply update it to the latest version. And once updated, all you have to do is open the Snapchat app and log in and check if your camera has started working or not. If it still does not work, then all you have to do is go back to the iPhone's home screen and simply look for the settings app and tap on it. Now again, once you tap on the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Once you tap on the general, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the iPhone storage. Now from the list of iPhone storage, look for the Snapchat app in there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you'll get to see offload app option available. Tap on the offload app and reinstall the Snapchat app on your mobile device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.